Yo, what's up guys? So we're gonna be heading to the expo right now. Me, my dad, and my friend are going. But yeah, thank you guys for clicking on the video. Thank you guys for watching, and let's get right to the video. Hey guys, we made it. We're gonna about to park right now. Yo! guys, surronster, go-kart, and MX Pros right there. We met him too, and we met him again. Yes, sir.
Oh, I'm gonna put my cue.
Yo, guys, we just met surronster again. We saw him walking, and then I was walking up to him, and then he recognized me and was like, "Yo!" And yeah, that was so dope. We're here with my dad. Yeah, it was so much fun. And yeah, my friend just left on his Ultra B, and then we got to see the new MX Pro. surronster brought his MX Pro, the new Razor. It's dope, bro. And then he brought the go-kart too. I think I filmed a little bit of that. My hat's crooked. But yeah, that was so much fun. Yeah, Electrify Expo was so much fun. Got the wristband. But yeah, we saw Surron's ton of stuff. E-Ride Pros, Talaria's, the Sierra Echo, bro, it was dope. Electric R32, electric Porsches, it was dope, guys. But yeah. Yo, guys, go check out my website where I sell these dope razor kits to modify your bike. 72 volts, 48 volts, 3000 watts, 2000 watts. Go check it out. It'll be everything you need to modify your razor. So go check it out. And I'll put it up on the screen. Ben's electrified bike kits will be in the description and in my bio. Go check it out. Thank you guys for watching. And stay tuned.